Good evening. My name is Dirk McCluckin, and I am here with the International Brotherhood of Chickens. And I want to let you know that we're tired of being thrown into hot oil or thrown into a very hot skillet. I mean, it's just endless. What are you going to do next to us? Take a metal rod and jam it in our... Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today is another Fiesta Friday here in the beautiful Valley of the Sun. It's March the 1st, the temperature outside 77 degrees, perfect grilling weather. So let's get on it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take two mulatto chilies, and we talked about these in an earlier episode, Chili Colorado episode. Basically, these are poblano peppers that have been dried, which turn them into ancho chilies, and then smoked, which turn them into mulatto chilies. And I'm going to take two guajillo chilies. I'm going to destem them, devein them, de-seed them, and then tear them into about 1.5 by 1.5 pieces. Okay, behind me I have a small skillet on the stove on medium-high heat. Into that is going to go our de-stemmed, de-seeded, deveined chilies and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. All of the ingredients, their amounts and the directions, as always, loyal viewer, are down below in the description section. We're going to toast these for just about 30 seconds to a minute until they get good and aromatic. We're going to stir them quite often too, because de-seeding and deveining and de-stemming them is such a pain in the ass, you don't want to do it twice. Because if you think you burned them, start all over, because it'll be very, very bitter. All right, that's all I'm willing to risk it. So now these go into a spice grinder. Along with the cumin seeds and your chilies go a teaspoon of chipotle powder, half a teaspoon of dried Mexican oregano, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now we're going to grind that up until it's all fine, like my woman. Now to finish up our marinade for that chicken, that powder goes into a bowl, along with 1.5 teaspoons of sugar and about 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. We're going to mix that into a fine tasting paste. There we go. Now we're going to set that aside and go grab our chicken. Now I got my chicken thighs out. We're just going to cut those into chunks that are going to be easy to thread onto my huge skewers. So not too small, otherwise it won't work. And then I'm just going to chuck them into the bowl with the paste. All done. Now I'm going to simply toss all this chicken in with the paste, get everything evenly coated, and then off camera, in case arguments ensue, the director and I will carefully thread these onto the skewers. So the next time we see ya, it'll be out at the grill. We'll see you then. All right, we got our grates good and greased up. Now we're going to get our skewers on the fire. And we're going to cook these until they're good and charred, and we get our chicken to at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to keep a close eye on them. We're going to flip them frequently, and yeah, it's going to be delicious. Alrighty, the chicken skewers are off the grill. It is time for the judgment. Serving these on a bed of coconut rice. This is just rice made with coconut milk instead of water. Balance out all those spices from the chilies.
Where's your sauce?
Oh, I also have some sauce to help balance that too. So how is it without the sauce?
Very good.
Okay, fantastic. Sauce, the recipe is down in the description. Simply a mixture of sour cream, mayo, cilantro, salt and pepper, and some lime juice. Even better? Mm-hmm. Fantastic.
That made it super.
Ooh, we got a super. All right, there you go. Hey, Grilled Mulatto Chipotle Chicken Skewers. Give this a try. Hope you enjoyed what you saw today. If you did, hey, leave us a comment. Tell us where you're watching from. We'd love to hear it. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.